Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here. Today we are doing a festive Christmas card using the heat embossing tool along with color and pencils for a festive Christmas card. Let's get started. For this card, we're going to be using the Color In Watercolor Pencils along with the Hero Arts Home for the Holidays stamp set for the sentiment and Hero Arts Holiday Foliage bold prints, along with red cardstock, our embossing heat tool. We're going to begin by trimming that top red cardstock panel a 1/4 of an inch smaller than the bottom panel. Then using the Home for the Holidays sentiment, we're going to ink it up in embossing ink, put it on our acrylic book, and stamp it on the center of our card panel. Using our heat embossing tool, we're going to heat set that gold embossing powder. I really like this heat tool. It is really fast and super clean, as you can see. Now we're going to mask the sentiment with washi tape. To remove some of the stickiness, touch the tape onto your hand to get some of the oils. Now we're going to be using the bold prints stamp set from Hero Arts. We're going to ink that up with embossing ink, and then we're going to cover the entire thing with gold embossing powder. Again, using our heat tool, we're going to heat set it. Once that is done, we are going to remove the washi tape carefully and try not to pull up, but pull to your side. Now we're going to go ahead and place some little details using the Color In Watercolor Pencils. These pencils can be used for watercolors or you can use them dry. And I'm just adding a bit of green onto the leaves. Then using a light shade of brown, we're going to add some details to the pine cones. Just have those pop up a little bit from the gold embossing. Using foam, we're going to add a sheet onto the back of that card panel, remove the sticky back, and place it onto our red card base. To add a couple of embellishments, we're going to add some Nuvo drops, or you can use any adhesive. Then we're going to use the jewel picker to pick up these jewels. We're going to do sets of 3 on the upper left and the bottom right corner of the sentiment. And that does it for this festive card. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to find these products, you can find them on the Hero Arts website. And for all the Marvy products, you can find them on the Marvy Uchida website. Thanks so much.